Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your July read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you, Aquarius, in July, and how you can use this reading to have a beautiful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Aquarius, going through some conflict here presently. Maybe it's within your own mind or with somebody. It's like winner takes it all kind of a situation going on here. But under the underlying energy of the entire reading is the Ace of Cups, Aquarius. So I don't think anything much to worry about. This could be temporary. Let's put this card here and start your reading. So Aquarius, as I said, in your first card here, in your current energy, this is not July yet. I mean, July card is next. But currently, the Five of Swords is in your energy. So it's like you want to win at any cost, it seems. Or maybe somebody around you is behaving like that. I don't know. Five of Swords spirit. Why is Aquarius in the Five of Swords energy? One more. Aquarius, I think that whatever conflict is going on, you probably are thinking long and hard about it. Maybe you're not talking to somebody right now, but it's going to be short-lived from what I feel. Whatever this energy is going around you, right now things may seem a bit stagnant in whatever situation this is. There could be a power play going on. This could be in work. This could be in a relationship. I don't know. But a little bit of introspection, a little bit of, going within, I think is going to kind of end whatever is bothering you here. I don't see a very major discord here. It's almost like you think about it, or the other person, whether it's your boss or your partner, I don't know who, they think about it and say, hey, it's really not worth, kind of keeping this kind of energy for too long. Right now, I do see that you're not coming on the same page with something. This could be related to work, because Three of Pentacles is a work card, but this could also be in any other situation. But this seems very temporary. It's going to be a very short span where you both kind of feel, hey, listen, let's just give up the fight and let's kind of move on. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Aquarius to be feeling this way? Recent past, Aquarius, you have the King of Swords. What's the King of Swords doing here? Some clear communication happened between two people maybe or more. Somebody had made a decision after that communication. This could have been cold-hearted or very straight to the point, and which didn't really feel good. And what was this decision, Spirit? Something about some forward movement that maybe you wanted to make. Maybe you were excited about something starting or a new beginning, or maybe you received a message which maybe the other person responded very coldly or something like that. And you felt kind of betrayed and hurt and devastated, and felt, bad about the way the communication took place between the two of you. And right now, there is a little bit of power play going on, but I don't think it's going to last for long, because in the July energy, I'm seeing this Page of Wands once again. So whatever made you feel bad, I think that's going to be over. Forward movement is going to start again. So now we're going to move on to the July energies. But before that, Aquarius, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card, which I always do beginning of every month, right? Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless your brand new beginning and this new month. Okay, so Aquarius, Lord Ganesha, what do you have for my Aqua gang? Oh, that's too many. I got two cards. Should I take them? I might as well because they came face up. I normally take one, but you're one of the lucky ones, Aquarius. You get two from Lord Ganesha. So the first one says priorities. Okay, so stick to your guns, Aquarius. If you feel that you have something of consequence, whether somebody agrees, doesn't agree, whether there's a power struggle here, you have to have your priorities in check, and keep a positive look whether you're supported or not. You know what you want. It doesn't matter what people say. Okay, you keep a positive outlook because I do see success and forward movement coming in July. So don't bother about how other people are responding, not responding, working with you, not working with you, saying things which are bringing you down. Forget about it. Okay, you keep your positive outlook and you keep your priorities in check. Work towards them. Now, Aquarius, we move on to July. So July, you have the Page of Wands, which is either receiving more news or sending news. It could be related to a creative, passionate new beginning of some sort. So what's this, Spirit? Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Oh, okay. So Aquarius, whatever's happened, which made you feel a bit maybe unloved or unappreciated, and you felt nobody was filling your cup. I think something or somebody is going to be approaching you with a message. It's going to be exciting. It's going to could be a new project, could be your spouse coming and taking action towards you, could be anything, but it's going to make you feel alive again, because I do see very fast movement coming after that. It'll put you on your chariot and you'll be off. So what's this, Spirit, for Aquarius? Yeah, this is going to be the end of this conflict. See, this was the card which we were worried about, right? The Five of Swords, this power play or somebody kind of cutting the other person down or something. This comes to an end in July. This is not going to be there. Whatever you felt was a waste of time, and people got the better of you. You wasted time, energy, feeling deflated. I think all that stability, growth, abundance, forward movement, action is coming back. It's going to put you back in the power game with forward movement. So don't think too much about this, Aquarius. If you still are, maybe you're in hermit mode and kind of going round and round in your head about it. Why did this happen? Shouldn't have happened. God help me. My angels help me. Yes, they've heard you. All they're saying is you stay positive, you keep a positive outlook, because the energies are going to change really swiftly, and you'll be put on that chariot of yours and you can then charge ahead with your dreams. So what's this Lover's card, Spirit? I think what you're holding on to, Aquarius, is, I think it hurts you. I think it hurts you when maybe other people around you, they kind of don't give you the acknowledgement or turn their back. You obsessively look for validation. You want that equal partnership. You want that if I give 5, you give 5, and then we all feel settled, which is the way it should be in anything, whether you're in a business partnership or a relationship or whatever. But I think the time has come that you kind of get out of this fear mode that you have, that I must kind of have validation. This is more like validation. Somebody is feeling my victory is not complete till I have approval. So if you're holding on to any kind of fear or any kind of self-doubt, it's time to turn your back on that. You yourself know where you're going, what your priorities are. Okay? So what's this 8 of Wands? 8 of Wands. Eight of Wands comes in the position of what you should let go, Aquarius. I think you're still trying to manifest um, some reciprocity or some back and forth communication which allows you to grow, which allows you to have that forward momentum that you're looking for. What Spirit is saying, you by yourself, you're showing up as the Empress, Aquarius. An Empress is not a male female card. It represents growth, abundance, forward movement, which I've already seen coming for you in July, right? So Spirit is saying, don't try and communicate too much with people who are naysayers. People who don't have your best interest at heart, who you feel are going to put you down, who are going to trick you, who are going to make you feel bad about yourself. It's time now to, you have to sit on your own throne now. You don't need validation from nobody. People have to come to you for validation now, Aquarius. You're sitting in your power. You can manifest whatever you want. So don't wait for, other people to get into your business, I would say, because there are some naysayers around you who are jealous, who may not want, you to grow or whatever. So you have to let go of seeking validation. That's all I can say. I mean, over and over, that's the same message which comes to me. Aquarius, stop seeking validation from others, because the others may have other agendas up their sleeve which may not be the best for you. Okay, maybe they don't want to see you grow, maybe they're jealous. So, and if you keep seeking approval, they'll probably try and pull you down. Then there'll be a power struggle, and then that puts you down. So what's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? King of Pentacles. Yes, see, this is this can become a blockage. You always kind of need, you again, same message. I'm sorry I'm being repetitive here, but you think others are more successful than you, they are bigger than you, they are better than you, and you have to look up at them to kind of allow you to do things which you know are in your highest good. It's time to stop looking back. Maybe you have as a child, maybe your parents didn't approve or something, and even now in life, you keep looking at others as others are better than you. You have to now stop looking at the past. You have to look forward and stop seeking communication from people who are giving you either bad communication or not communicating with you, or trying to steal that wind which is under your wings right now. This is almost like that, like somebody trying to stop you from flying high. This has to be dropped. Don't go back and forth in your mind. Don't second guess yourself. Lord Ganesha has given you the card of priorities for a reason. Positive outlook and priorities. Don't second guess yourself. Should I not? Am I good enough? Should I do this? No. And you don't need to really take too much advice either, because I'm sure your heart knows what is the best for you. And be very wary that there are people around you who may not want to see you that sitting on that Empress's throne, right? It's a very special throne, Aquarius. I mean, you're being gifted with it. Sit on it and claim it. How do people see my Aquarius, Spirit, in July? See, people are seeing you as having it all. You're sitting in the 10 of Pentacles energy. This is like money, abundance, growth, future, security, everything. Why do people see my Aquarius as the 10 of Pentacles, Spirit? Why do people see my Aquarius as the 10 of Pentacles? Aquarius, there could be somebody in your family situation who doesn't want you to take an opportunity. I'll be honest, I'll be straight. There's somebody who's a naysayer around you. There is somebody here who could be a bit rude, could be a bit Not the most pleasant, bit of a narcissist, I would say, or sometimes cruel with their words. That's all I can say. Somebody who may not want this Queen of Wands to be in the upright and pursue what you want, and may not be very kind to the forward growth. They may want you to settle, okay, in this 10 of Pentacles, like, we have it all, why do you need to do this, why do you need to do that, look after the house and have children. That kind of feeling I'm getting. There is somebody here who wants to keep you limited to a box, but the universe has provided you something else, which I don't think you should compromise, unless of course you have your own problems there, I don't know. But please know, whoever this is doing it out of jealousy, out of stubbornness, not because. So Spirit, what's your secret advice or message for Aquarius? 3 of Swords. See, I told you, I was getting a feeling there is somebody here who doesn't want your dreams to come true. So why is the secret message the 3 of Swords, Spirit? 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords. Yes, so what should Aquarius do? This message I already understood. So what should Aquarius do now in July to overcome this? What should Aquarius do? Aquarius, you have to make your wishes come true. You're being directed. You're being directed to a new path, which is going to be of self-love. This card is for you. This is self-love. This is going to make you feel really good, really happy with what you're doing. It's time to bring justice back into your own life, Aquarius. There are naysayers around you, people who will probably try and stall this progress that you're wanting to have. Some people want to hold you back here, Aquarius, in July, and this could come as a big shock to you, because these could be people who you really trust, people who you feel have their best interest, your best interest at heart. And when this Tower moment happens, it has that capability of breaking your heart, because you don't expect this. You don't expect people to be that miserly or stopping you or holding you back or creating conflict. So when I ask Spirit, what should Aquarius do? Aquarius, Spirit says, with or without anybody's help, Aquarius, put your head down and continue whatever you're working on, whatever your dream is. Okay? You don't need validation. Yes, it may not feel very good. I mean, the Sun card is always a happy card, Aquarius, whether it's in the upright, whether it's in reverse. But sometimes when the sun card is upright, that means, hey, everybody's on board and we're all happy. But when it's in reverse, then you feel, all right, so what if I'm not making everybody happy? But this is my happiness and I'm going to work towards it. Okay, it's time. This is Spirit secret advice to you, Aquarius. It's time to get unstuck. It's time to get unstuck from whatever you feel is holding you back. Set your priorities and move forward. Okay, it's time for self-love. You are now going to be the Empress. And people are kind of jealous of this Empress. I'll be honest. It's not easy to get this position. This is that the king or queens all put together. This is the highest level of intelligence, beauty, forward movement, growth, abundance. And yes, some people may be jealous. Okay? But you don't have to bother. You can't be everybody's savior, right? So be very mindful that you don't, now that you already know, I don't think this Tower moment is going to be painful at all, because you already will be prepared. Okay? What you have to do is go into self-love, do what makes you happy, bring justice back to your own life, be in that childlike innocence of, whatever you want to start. And see, I have beautiful cards for you, Page of Cups. Sooner or later, these same very people, Aquarius, are going to turn around and come to you seeking forgiveness. Okay? So don't sell yourself short. That's all I can say for July. Keep on it. So that's all I have for you. Hope it worked for you, Aquarius. Do leave a thumbs up if it did. It really helps me. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.